Yo, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. First of all, if you guys please smash that like button, I'd really appreciate it. If you guys can leave a comment down below, even better. Super helps the channel out. I see everybody liking the videos. I really appreciate that, but if I could get you guys to just drop a comment, I don't care what it is, just say hi, let me know you're watching. It really helped the channel out, and I'd really appreciate it. And it'd be nice to kind of see who's watching, and I appreciate all the feedback, everybody that's leaving comments, let me know what they think of the videos and the channel and the cars. And I've had some feedback, let me know, thanks for the tips and advice and stuff. So really appreciate all the feedback. This is vlog number 5 for the week. Not too many other vloggers are doing that, so it's almost basically daily vlogs. Of course, sometimes I skip a day here or there during the week just because I might not have enough updates for you guys to worth making a video. But anyways, we got again guys, we got slap stickers. The white peels off, so it's just a circular sticker. But if you guys want a slap sticker, get at me. Instagram, Facebook, our website, nitroautolab.com, link in the description. We got lots of slap stickers. I'll get more if I need so. Also, we got lots of merch, guys. We got beanies, embroidered, real nice quality. We got shop hoodies. We got shop tees. We got hats. We got hats right here, guys. Trucker hats. We got dad hats. We got license plate frames. If you guys are interested, we don't have pink. That's for the lady. So we only have the red ones, but I got more of these. So get at me. Lots of merch available. Like I said, it's Friday morning. We're back in the shop. I honestly can't believe that the Silverado's still sitting here, and I'm really disappointed to see that this is still sitting in here. I do have a mechanic doing the wrench turning. I'm on the paint and body side. I understand that we were waiting on parts for a while, and we didn't get the flywheel until about 11 or so, maybe earlier yesterday. But when I see things like this unfinished, it's just super fucking disappointing. I mean, there's too much going on at once. I mean, this transmission has not moved. Still sitting in the same spot yesterday. Flywheel is put in, but nothing's lined up, nothing's ready to go in. It does look like the front strut assemblies are in. I'm not sure why you wouldn't lower the car down and finish putting the rear shocks on, just to have that done and out of the way so you can focus on the transmission install. But I'm guessing he didn't want to go down with the lift. But damn, not how I'd fucking do things. And I realized that, we were waiting on parts, and yeah, I'm pretty disappointed. It's pretty embarrassing that this is still sitting here like this. We had a half a day yesterday, and also I'm not sure why the truck's still sitting in here. The parts the guy got were, he didn't have all the parts, so we are going to be ordering more parts to complete his grill install and his bumper replacement. We have one gasket we're trying to change down there. It's just a couple of bolts. I realize things can be a pain in the butt, and everything's one bolt from getting stripped out from being a 10-hour job. I get it, but we have all the equipment here to do this shit. So honestly, not sure why these things are still sitting here. I thought I saw a lot of downtime yesterday. So anyways, super disappointed. I'm thinking about shutting the auto repair side down of things and just using this side for videos and builds. So honestly, this isn't the first time. So guys, I don't know what to say. Things are just moving a little too slow on the auto repair side, so I'm definitely considering, and this isn't the first time I've considered shutting down the auto repair side of things just for liability, and I can't constantly be over there to make sure that things are moving. So I think it's almost time to be shutting down the auto repair side of things. Anyways, enough with sad story. Hopefully those will get buttoned up today and get the fuck out of here. So anyways, in the paint booth, we have our 2021 Ford Transit 250. Repair came out beautiful. I last minute yesterday found a low spot and I actually had to fix a dent, re-spot prime. I had to leave to run a couple errands, came back, I lamped it so it was dry. I re-prepped it, blocked till it looks good. Very, very happy with the look. Our body lines are all there. I put the clear on just a little drier than I'd like to, but it was super, super duper cold last night. Let me just show you guys here. Sometimes I'll leave, especially during the winter, I'll leave my clear from the night before in the cup to see how much it's kicked. And this is a standard activator. I should be using a fast, but I don't have any fast right now. And you can still see from last night, about 14 hours ago, it is still very, very wet. You know, granted, our clear coat, when we sprayed out of the gun, this is about 2.5 coats of clear, did a tack coat and then 2 full coats. Is a lot thinner and probably kicked a lot more, but I'll let this kick for another hour or so, and then I'm gonna go ahead and do a little wet sanding and buffing because I wanna get rid of some of this orange peel and just a little dryness to it. There's plenty of clear there, I'm not worried about it, but I did not want to run the clear like I did a while back on a job. So, being that it was so cold and standard activator, booth on, it just sucks all my heat out of this building. And yeah, so anyways, job came out killer, came out amazing. I'm gonna get the wheel flare on, get some detailing done, and so on. So you guys can see here, this is where I pulled my paper and I shot it with my blend agent from U-Pull, and it left a really smooth transition actually. Of course, I'll do a little buffing right here to shine it up. And then you can see my feather tape is just enough to let a little bit of clear blow in. And I had scuffed there too, but I'm gonna run, after I remove this tape, I'm gonna run my buffer across that, and it should leave for a pretty clean transition. And I'll just lift this up to kind of show you guys. There's barely just a little bit of a dry edge right there. But with a little wet sanding and a little bit of buffing, it'll completely go away. So very, very happy with how that looks. Really saves a lot of time and material as far as prepping and spraying this entire quarter panel, especially being such a small repair area. But anyways, yeah, this is Ford White YZ. They've been using this since about, I think, 1991. It's the same color code, solid white, YZ. They use it on Crown Vics for the police cars. They use it on their cars, SUVs, you name it. Very standard white. They've used it for over 30 years now. So anyways, we're gonna get this unmasked. We're gonna get our wheel flare installed. We're gonna let it kick for just a little bit longer. I'm gonna do a little wet sanding there, a little bit on that line, a little bit across this whole panel, knock some of this dry texture and this little bit of peel down, and then I'll machine buff and polish, and hoping about noon I'll be done, get this thing out of here. I need to get the 2016 Ford Fiesta in here. I need to kick ass, buckle down. I need to get it prepped. I need to get the bumper prepped, fender prepped. I got a little dent in the fender. I'm gonna pull that, put some mud on it, block it out, apply some high build primer, prep the hood, and try to get it mostly prepped. That way Monday when I walk in, I just got a little bit of prepping maybe to finish, blow it off, pull it in the spray booth, mask it and get it painted. That way Tuesday morning when Mikey's here, he can assemble it since he was the person that did the disassembly. So very busy Friday. We got lots to do, guys. My advice, especially if you guys are trying to work for yourself, or you're self-employed, or you have your own business, vice versa, and even if you just work for anybody else, just good work ethic is get up and get fucking going. If the shop opens at 8 o'clock, get there at 8 o'clock. Actually, if you're not 10 minutes early, you're late, in my opinion. And if you're self-employed, even more of a reason to be early to your business. This isn't for everybody. Being self-employed is very hard. Just because you're your own boss doesn't mean you don't have a boss. You have an invisible boss. I mean, this is just not acceptable. And if you're this behind on your work, you should be here early trying to catch up and finish up. I'm tempted to not even pay for this right now until things are done, but I'm gonna cross my fingers and hope that things get done. This isn't the first go around, but I'm one step closer to shutting my auto repair side down and only going to partial auto repair, minor stuff like brakes and tune-ups and oil changes and stuff like that. I'm not even trying to be a jerk. This is just, and I know shit happens, and I know sometimes things can be stubborn, but it's already after 8 a.m. right now, and this thing's still sitting here. No one's working on it. This thing's still sitting here. No one's working on it. I don't know what to say. So get up, get motivated. If you guys ain't working, you ain't doing shit. So got to keep moving forward, guys. Take my advice as you want it. I don't know. One thing I do know is as long as you're busy working, you're making money. If you ain't working, you ain't making money. So we have a busy Friday. Get this done, get it out of here, get it delivered, get paid, get the Ford Fiesta in, get a jump on that. That way Monday is an easier day, more easier going, because this week's been a little crazy and hectic, and we'll get that thing blasted Monday, even if we got to stay late, get things done. And then Tuesday, get a jump on the assembly and try to knock it out. So anyways, quick vlog. Everybody have a good kick-ass weekend. Stay motivated, stay organized, be proactive on being organized, and plan ahead. Always think a couple steps ahead. You know, it helps you get things done. If you get stuck on something, don't waste too much time being stuck on that. Don't sit there and go on your phone and dink around. Move to the next task that you can complete, and you do have the tools for, and you do have the parts for. Finish that all the way. Every nut and bolt said and done, torqued, wheels back on, torqued. I mean, this just goes for everything in life, honestly. Like, don't spend too much time wasting time on when you get stuck. Just try to move to the next task that you can complete and finish that. That way, when you do figure it out, all those little tasks that you could complete are already done. You don't have to go, oh, okay, now that I got past the stuck part, now it's time to do all the parts that I could have done while I was wasting time. So being self-employed is very difficult. Running a shop's very difficult. Managing other people is pretty much impossible without being an asshole. I don't know what to say. Most people will get fired for bad work ethic. I'm not that type of person. I don't like doing that. I realize shit happens, and I realize that both these cars have had some real tight, just bad bolts that are just rusty and just difficult, but you got to work past that stuff. So anyways, like this video, leave a comment down below. I really appreciate it. Hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you guys next week. Bye.
Ooh, like LeBron, or like Bonzo. Ooh, I'm a baller, yeah, shot caller, yeah. They love me, you can't touch me, nah, can't trust me. I'm too lucky. Look at me, look at you, what you see, what you do.